Here we have an up-close and personal look at the CheFrobot UltraCook all-in-one smart food processor. This will certainly be changing the way we cook around here. Let's start unboxing. I'm so excited to get this open. First, we have a warranty card, and next we have a very detailed user manual, complete with loads of images and information that'll make the most delicious recipes at home for your family. This separate box has some of the accessories neatly packed away. Here we have the steamer, which consists of 3 parts. Firstly, the steamer cover, which is transparent and lets you see exactly what's going on. It's made of a very high quality plastic. Next, we have the steamer base, which consists of a strainer and the basket itself. These 3 pieces stack very neatly together, and I'm already loving the very sleek and modern design they have going on here. It's gorgeous. Now, there's some smaller accessories. First, we have a measuring cup, which is also transparent and lets you see exactly what's going on. The butterfly attachment, of course, this is for mixing. And lastly, we have this spatula, and right off the bat, I could tell it's made of a very high quality. It won't be bending out of shape when you're using it. Last but certainly not least, we have the star of the show, the CheFrobot UltraCook all-in-one smart food processor. I cannot wait to put this to work in the kitchen. Whether you're making a quick weeknight meal or experimenting with something new, this food processor has you covered. Stay tuned, and I'll be testing out some recipes next. The power cord is neatly tucked away under the appliance, and if you notice these 4 legs, they're actually suction cups that keep the CheFrobot firmly in place. What makes this machine special is its versatility. It can chop, blend, steam, whisk, knead, and even sous vide. There's over 15 functions in one appliance. Whether you're slow cooking stew, making smoothies, or steaming veggies, the UltraCook can handle it. The bowl has a 3.5 liter capacity, and the machine handles meals for the whole family. You'll notice it's turned on with the melody playing. The CheFrobot has the option of connecting to Wi-Fi via this 7-inch touchscreen. There's screens that you can scroll through just like you would a cell phone. I love how user-friendly this appliance is. The touchscreen interface is super intuitive, and with the app, you can control everything right from your phone. Recipes can be accessed via the app or right from the touchscreen menu. There are over 600 recipes with easy-to-follow step-by-step instructions. The app has a feature where you can save your favorite recipes for easy access. Today, we will be steaming veggies and making a garlic hummus. Step 1, we chopped up all the veggies. We then added water to the mixing bowl and secured the lid onto it with a safety lock design. You won't have to worry about any accidents happen while the machine is running. We then loaded the veggies onto the steamer base, added the steamer cover, and with the steamer holder attached to the mixing bowl, we placed it all on. On the menu, I then selected steaming option, and the cooking selections were all pre-programmed. With a transparent cover, we're able to get a sneak peek at the veggies, and when the machine is done, the CheFrobot plays a lovely melody to let you know cooking has finished. Once cooking was done, we have the final result. Not only does this look great, they're perfectly steamed and they're absolutely delicious. Next up on today's menu is garlic hummus. We grabbed all the ingredients and added them one by one into the mixing bowl. With the included stainless steel measuring spoons, we're able to precisely add each one of the ingredients. When all was added, we then placed the cover and grabbed the cup, which by the way also doubles as the top. We selected the settings and the UltraCook started working. The CheFrobot has a temperature range from 98 degrees Fahrenheit all the way up to 320 degrees Fahrenheit. So you can tackle anything from low heat simmering to high heat frying. When finished, we pour the hummus out and it looks and smells amazing. The consistency was perfect, and we paired off the veggies with the fresh hummus to have a delicious and healthy afternoon snack. Last but not least, the CheFrobot is self-cleaning. All you'll need to do is add a bit of water, press the self-cleaning button, and the UltraCook takes care of the rest. It's so simple and makes rinsing and towel drying a breeze. After all that cooking, it's great knowing that cleanup is effortless and saves you so much time. By the way, all of these accessories are also dishwasher safe.